Alright, so today on the side of the road we're looking at a kit from Go Power Sports Go-Kart. Obviously we got a Tillotson 212 engine and it's for sale. Right here, there's the kit from Go Power Sports, and the sign says the chain is removed so we can start it. Just want to get a closer view of what this kit is all about. Looks pretty solid. It's pretty solid. It says this kit was purchased in 2023, which is this year. Let's fire it up here. Okay, well, I said disc brakes. I didn't know if you could hear me over the engine, but yeah, it's nice looking machine here. But, I don't know, maybe I'll think about getting something like this, or maybe getting this one. Anyway, just thought I saw it here and I thought I'd share with you. Looks like it'd be a lot of fun. All right, thanks for watching.